The way you invest at 25 will almost certainly look very different from how you should be investing at age 55. Understanding those differences could be the single most important thing you do for your financial future. Today, we're breaking down what smart investing looks like at every major life stage. In your 20s, you have one asset that nobody else can give you: time. Time is everything in investing. That's because of compound growth. Even small amounts invested early grow into something significant over the long term. A 25-year-old investing $200 a month in an S&P 500 broad index fund at a historical 7% annual return will have over $500,000 by age 65. The same person starting at age 35 ends up with roughly half that amount. In your 20s, the priority is simple: start early, investing consistently, and keep your fees low. Don't wait until you have more money. Start with what you have. In your 40s, the dynamic shifts. You're likely earning more than you were in your 20s, but retirement is also starting to feel real. It's no longer 40 years away, it's closer to 20. If you haven't already started, this is the decade to get serious about maximizing contributions. If you have unused TFSA or RRSP room, now is the time to start filling it. Your portfolio can still afford to be growth-oriented. You have enough time to recover from market downturns. But it's worth starting to think about balance in your portfolio. This is also the decade where life can get expensive. Mortgages, kids, other costs competing with investing. The discipline to keep contributing consistently, even when money is tight, is what separates investors who arrive at retirement comfortably from those who don't. In your 50s, retirement may now be on the horizon. Your focus may start to shift from pure growth to growth with protection. This means gradually adjusting your portfolio to reduce risk. You still want equities for growth, but adding more bonds or income-generating assets like covered call ETFs starts to make sense. A major market downturn at 55 hits a lot differently than one at 35. You have less time to recover. This is also the decade to get serious about projecting your retirement number. How much do you actually need? What will your expenses look like? Will you have a pension? The earlier you run those numbers, the more time you have to adjust your plan. In your 60s, the goal transitions from building wealth to preserving and drawing from it. A bad market in the first few years of retirement can have an outsized impact on how long your money lasts. This is the stage to shift toward a more conservative allocation: more bonds, more stable dividend-paying stocks and income ETFs, and keeping 1 to 2 years of living expenses in cash so you're never forced to sell investments at a bad time. This is also when tools like annuities or CPP deferral strategies come into play. Deferring CPP to age 70 instead of taking it at age 65, for example, increases your monthly payment by roughly 42%. This is a meaningful difference over a long retirement. The focus here isn't on chasing returns. It's on making sure your money outlasts you. Every decade brings a different set of priorities and life events. The thread running through all of them is the same: invest consistently, keep your costs low, and adjust your strategy as your life changes. The earlier you start thinking about this, the more options you'll have later. See you next time on Money Focus.